Framing Machine FM1 and Randek Bridge RB1 system, a swift solution for efficient wall element production processes. With an easy-to-use interface, the FM1 makes starting your framework projects quick and simple, no matter what software you use. With setup options including manual entry or seamless file transfers via USB or network from your design department, providing high-quality results quickly and efficiently. The FM1 efficiently assembles walls with precision and speed, reducing manual labour and enhancing safety. The FM1 ensures consistent, high-quality results. FM1 is designed for efficient, precise production of prefabricated frameworks. The completed framework is transported to the RB1, where joystick controls allow precise sheathing. The RB1 is effortlessly set up via the HMI screen and operated with joysticks, offering adjustable settings. The RB1 quickly adapts to different wall heights and nails each element with precision, ensuring quality and compliance with building standards. A second nail gun can be added for increased efficiency. The RB1 can efficiently sheath and nail long walls. It offers quick and easy manual adjustments, with optional features like staplers, saws, or nailing guns. Interested in improving your production process? Contact us for a quote.